Hi, Cliff here from All Products Painting, American Business Telephone. Today showcasing our painting project, which was painting Telco phones in orange. In front of us we have the G-style handsets, and they have a volume control on them. These were Telco phones in a tan color. Now they're semi-gloss orange paint, just kind of going right down the handsets. Get a good view of the orange color. Here's the side. And then the actual back of the handset itself, give you a complete view of what it looks like. And then swinging right around here, we've got the actual 2500 housings. And get a close-up here of one. We completely take the phones apart before we paint them so that everything comes out uniform. So just going right down the row here, and you can see they're all orange. And then we also paint the tops so they match, and the actual part that goes around the keypad. So if we can help you out with a project like this, please give us a ring at 877-242-0070. All Products Painting, American Business Telephone, and we would be happy to help you out with your painting project as well. Thank you.